Hello and welcome. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn about figure drawing. This classes as a continue classes of my previous classes. So here we are illustrate or it's demonstrating how we can draw the working man figure. So here in my previous classes I have already told to my subscriber that you always think to draw a boxes. Okay, if you do not familiar with how to draw boxes, please collect two cardboard, at least two cardboard boxes, and try to draw according to this. And you can see this chest portions is actually it's a box. Okay, and here you can see the hand portions is also box. And always try to draw like this and practice with me like this. It will be very helpful to you for understanding the drawing, the style, and how you can improve your figure drawing in this in with me. Okay, so here as a thigh portions is a cylindric view. You can see this, and always remember these joints between the limbs can be addressed as cylinder. Okay, it's a cylinder. Okay, and the feet can be drawn as a pitch. Okay, like this. You always remember this fit wedge. It can be drawn as a wedge or bricks. Okay, see like this. And this type of drawing, this type of uh, drawing, it's understand, it's help you to understand how you can draw human figure. So here you can see this walking portion, and how a man can walk, huh? And its gestures. Okay, and this is a back leg, and this is also the cylinders. And when cylinder comes towards to you, the quips gets more open and closer to the circle. Okay, and here you can observe the one thing, that's the back leg is smaller than the front leg. It's a perspective view. And here you can see this perspective view. And feet can be drawn as width, as I told before. Here this is a fit. Okay, it can be drawn as width. Okay, so always remember this and try to draw like this. If you try to draw with me, please keep in touch with my drawing classes here on online learning box. Here you can see this the spear makes for the good shoulders. Okay, here I'm going to draw a box, and here is spear. And this circle of a spear, you can imagine the proportions of the shoulders, the space. The head can be a spheres, and the neck is a simple cylinder. Okay, the neck is a simple cylinder. That's and torso can address as a tall thin box. Okay, keep all the boxes in a parallel uh, panel. Okay, and design it. Here you can see this is the flesh portions, and this is a gestures drawing. And gestures drawing here always when you are trying to smoothify your drawing style or hand portions. Always try to draw C curve and S curve. It's very helpful. C curve and S curve. The pelvic is a wide thin box. That's the pelvic portions, sorry. This thin box, and I'm always told you that gather a box, two cardboard box, at least two cardboard box, and try to imagine uh, by this boxes. Okay, this boxes is very helpful. Hands can be drawn as a width, squeezed edged. Okay, this is hands, this is hands. Okay, this is the whole part of this body, and how you can draw this cylindric cylinder comes together. Okay, this is, and this illustrations or this drawing, I will give you the download link. You can easily download this page, and this constructions of body constructions you can easily practice with the help of this structure. Now let's take another examples. Here we are going to draw a sitting positions of a figure, sitting positions of somebody's design or somebody's figure. So here the head portions is coming first, and here we're drawing a spear. Okay, and this neck portions, and in this neck portions here, this neck portions, and here I'm drawing and try to draw it's a round shapes with a different kind of styles without creating boxes. You can go with this style or the another style of boxes style. It's not matter, it's just understanding purpose here. This the muscles. Okay, and see step by step, draw with me. It's really helpful for you. And there's a hand gestures, the sitting positions of model, or you can use manque of this design. Okay, and this is a very critical positions, and this the very critical positions you should draw carefully here for understand this positions. Okay, and this is the shading, lights comes here, and drop this positions, and the shadow opposite of this position, opposite of this drawing, shadow. Okay, this is actually the sitting positions, and here you can see this is a model who sit like this. And please practice with me, keep watching this video. And this is the hip portions, as I told before. Okay, how you can draw, and this hip portions, the cylindric thigh portions, always imagine as a cylinder. Okay, and this one try to draw like this. Okay, and the shades, and this one. Okay, and draw carefully, imagine. It helps you to for imaginations, better imaginations. There's shade portions. Okay, there's a very basic drawing. It's not very hard, anyone can draw. This cylinder go here, or the behind of this front leg. Okay, and this the feet can be drawn as wedge, as I told. And here I'm just doing its rough drawing. It's not a complete drawing. Okay, just understanding how you can uh, draw, uh, or better understand the figure drawing. So this is the sites, and keep watching. I will try to help you definitely, and please subscribe this channel. And I think this video will very helpful to you. uh, so I'm speedifying my try to speedify my process here. This is the thigh portions of this leg, behind of this front leg, and the sitting positions. Okay, thank you. I'm hope that this video will helpful for you. Thank you very much for watching. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.